Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So in this video, by the title you know, I'm going to do Shein haul. We are going to do Shein haul. Happy New Year to you all. So I hope you all are enjoying the new year. So yeah, I ordered this 2 weeks before Christmas, I think. Yeah, it came today, so I thought I will just share what we got.
Wasn't it a week before Christmas?
No. So this is what I got, and I got no idea what I ordered. Okay, so got this much of stuff.
And this got left out.
Oh, there is so much of stuff, so let's quickly open and see what we got. And it comes in this Ziploc bag. Okay, first thing I can see is our dress. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
Wow.
Another dress. I love this color. Okay, looks like this. Gorgeous dress. Gym wear set. Got this top, which is not padded. It's like this.
Why would they not put pads in that?
I don't know. And it comes with the shorts. The next one is this belt kind of thing, which you wrap on your waist, like when you are walking out, I think. So all the pictures I will leave it here so you can see it. Okay. And the next one is a top, just like this. It's also gym wear. And the next one is a set. Okay, looks quite big. I don't know whether it will fit or not, but I think it will. So it has 2 pockets here, and it's nice, stretchy, and comes with a top. Okay, like this. And the next one is this top, which I love it so much. It's also a gym wear, I think. And the next one is a skirt. Literally, this looks just so pretty. Let's see, there is elastic here and a tie thingy. So love it. Look, it's just a flare skirt. And the next one is another gym wear set. So this is padded and looks really big. But it will be very comfy. I love Shein's gym wear, like shorts. And oh, this is a legging, so it's a legging set. It's a beautiful full color. And the next one is, oh, what is this? Okay, it's a 2-piece set, a skirt and a top. It's like this. It has a slit, I think, at one side. No, there's no slit, but it's just a skirt. And let's see the top. Oh, okay, it's like this.
Are you holding it upside down?
No.
Oh.
It's like this.
Oh.
And the next one is another, oh, it's not a gym-wear, it's a dress. What kind of dress is this? Oh gosh. It has a zip in front and normal sleeve. No, the sleeve is a bit different. Looks nice. Let's see. And it's a long dress. I'm not like trying today, but I know it will fit me. So it's a long maxi dress. And there's another gym wear top. Looks like this has a hoodie and another gym set. It's a black one. Black is my favorite anyway, so it's faded, which is good. And like it's exactly same as the one I showed you earlier, but it's in color black. So literally I just wanted to like try this one because this wasn't that cheap, I think. Oh, I've got no idea. So it's a long skirt and it has a slit in front, as you can see, and literally the model who was wearing this looked so pretty in this, so I thought I'll just try. The top looks like this. It's a long sleeve, so definitely it's a fall set. Nice. And the next one is this three like just tops, gym wear tops, which are faded. Okay, first one is this black one, brown. I just love this color. It's like this. A top. Oh, looks ugly. I don't know I like it or not because the legging looks not that good. Okay, I don't know what is this. It's a dress and why it's open like this. God, what the hell? This dress, which is just open like this at the back, looks like this, and I think this is back or front. I've got no idea about it. Gosh, got no idea. Okay, it's a long dress which has a slit in front. Got no idea. Okay, the last one. Oh no, it's not the last one. It's another dress. Love this one. It's so beautiful. Yeah, it's giving that Valentine's Day vibe. Another set. Okay, this one looks big. Oh, it's a flare legging. Okay, the material, like, it feels so good, and it comes with a top set which is not padded. It's just a normal top. Okay, so yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and until next time, bye.
Bye.
You like my jewelry? Like this jewelry I got from Shein, of course. If you are following me, if you saw our last Shein haul, like we shared, it comes in like 3-piece set, ring, necklace, and the earrings. Like literally it's so pretty, guys. It's so pretty. It matches my nails so well. Hey Isha, looks gorgeous.